Stylish, suave. The crew cut has regularly featured among the most fashionable and most accessible haircuts for men since eternity. Originally a form of hairstyle most commonly observed among military personnel, the crew cut made a much-awaited comeback over the last 2 decades, with several variants for men to choose from today. However, it's a look that not everyone can pull off, and even if you do manage to get yourself a crew cut, it is what comes after the cut that matters the most: constant maintenance. Regular trims and usage of intimate hair oils and essentials to regulate that consistent buzz and shine. Nonetheless, if you think you've got what it takes to feature among the cut crewmen, but are unsure of which cut might suit you the most, we've got you covered. Many people think of the crew cut as a military hairstyle, but that's not all. Here's everything you need to know about crew cut haircuts plus classic and modern ways to get the look. What is a crew cut? The crew haircut was originally worn by members of Ivy League crew teams in the 1920s and 1930s. Hair was cut short enough to stay out of the face and eyes while maintaining an on-trend shape for the time. When men were inducted into the military for World War II, crew cuts were short enough for military regulations, so many soldiers continued to wear the men's hairstyle while serving and even after. The crew cut is still popular today because it combines short hair with maximum style. Crew cut versus buzz cut. The buzz haircut gets its name from the sound of the electric clippers used to create the short hairstyles. The DIY buzz cut is one length all over, but a professional job will include tapering around the sides and back, and maybe also a lineup. Buzz cuts include the crew cut, butch cut, high and tight, flat top, and Ivy League haircut. According to Wikipedia, the crew cut is a type of buzz cut, and the buzz cut can also be called a crew cut. When in doubt, always show your barber a picture of what you want. The crew cut has also been known as the short pompadour. The cut is longest along the forehead and gets shorter towards the back of the head. The sides and back are cut short or tapered shorter on their way down in a fade. Longer hair at the hairline can be styled all kinds of different ways. Hair can be styled up into a short pomp, quiff or spikes, or swept over into an Ivy League or comb over. Really short crew cuts don't need any styling at all.